few days ago, Mayor Alice Guo and some other individuals were charged under the expanded Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act. Ako po'y masaya na siya po ay nakasuhan. At nakasuhan sa ilalim ng isang batas na pinanganak din nitong komite, the Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality. But it seems that Alice Guo is only the tip of an iceberg. Kung tamang binahagi sa amin na intelligence information noong executive session a few weeks ago at kanina lamang din, this committee hearing is in the process of uncovering a deep and deadly web of bad actors involving international criminal syndicates, local and national politicians, and perhaps malevolent elements of a foreign state. Nakakalula ang impormasyon na aming natatanggap. Kaya sa palagay ko po, ay mahalaga na ibalangkas ng maayos. Una po, let us tackle head-on this issue of the identity ni Alice Guo. Si Alice Guo po ay nagpadala ng excuse letter sa ating komite dahil hindi daw siya makakadalo. This is truly unfortunate dahil ang dami po niyang kailangang sagutin sa atin. Itatanong ko sana sa kanya para diretsahan niya sagutin. Pero papakita ko na lang ngayon dahil sobra ako nabigla dito. As has already been reported, Alice Guo's Chinese identity appears to be Guo Haping, fully Chinese with 2 Chinese parents. Ito po ay nakita natin sa Special Investment Resident Visa o SIRV application ni Lin Wenye. I wrote to the NBI to request the biometrics data of both Guo Haping and Alice Guo, looking to compare their fingerprints. Atin pong nakuha ang kanilang fingerprints at sa kasalukuyan ay ito ay ina-analyze. Ngunit po, salamat sa maagap na tugon ng bagong NBI Director, Jaime Santiago, nakuha din po natin ang impormasyon na nakuha din po natin na may Alice Leal Guo na nasa database ng NBI. Ito po ang Alice Guo na yon. Friends, I want you all to take a good hard look at this document. Same ang birthday sa birth certificate ni Alice Leal Guo na tumakbong mayor. July 12, 1986. Pareho ang spelling ng pangalan, pero ibang-iba ang mukha. Napakadami ko pong katanungan. Is it a coincidence na may dalawang Alice Leal Guo na pinanganak on July 12, 1986 sa Tarlac? Is it a coincidence that this NBI clearance was applied for just a few days before the date of filing of the delayed registration of birth of the other Alice Leal Guo in Tarlac City? Or is this a case of stolen identity? Has Guo Haping assumed the identity of a Filipino woman and then nearly a decade later run for public office? Sino po ang babaeng ito na may pangalang Alice Leal Guo pero hindi kamukha ni Mayor? Nasaan na po siya ngayon? Bakit kailangan ni Guo Haping nakawin ang pagkatao ni Ms. Alice Leal Guo kung mayroon na siyang validly issued investor's visa na papahintulutan siyang mamalagi dito?